to see you guys. Today I would like to present you Eden Car Bluetooth M60. It can monitor the battery voltage in real time. The voltage state is clear at a glance. Dual port charging at the same time. Meet your request of charging your phone fast.
Bluetooth version 5.0. Very stable connection. Open your phone Bluetooth list to select the name ET-M60 to pair.
After pairing, switch the vehicle signal source to radio mode.
Adjust the radio frequency to the same as shown on the M60 screen. Support U-Disc, TF-Car, OS, plug and play.
Multifunction button to switch the next track and turn the adjustable volume easily. With built-in microphone, communication clear and smoothly when calling. Hands-free by one touch, make your driving safer. This is our Eden new car Bluetooth M60. I'm Nico. See you next time.